Hello, welcome to Aligaylejourneys. I am in Horsham. I've done this town already during the winter season, I think, when there was people busking. So at the moment, today is Monday, and it's sometime in July. Now, if you haven't followed the weather, 2025 June, July, we've had amazing weather, and a few weeks ago we've had, well, even a few days ago, we've had massive heat wave, and so today is relatively warm, but this is what the town looks like at the moment for all of you, my subscribers. I just want to keep this going as long as God gives me this breath. So you can see empty. Is this the road for, I'm trying to find where Nando's is. Yeah, it's up there, unless Nando's is closed. Let me check my watch. It's actually 4 minutes to 7 on a Monday evening now here in Horsham, West Sussex. Yeah, that's Nando's there. Here is not busy, but a few more people, as you can see, people walking, and you can see a few people eating there at Nando's. I'll just walk over there in a second and show you what's happening. I do recommend, if you're listening, watching from anywhere outside of Sussex or even the UK, if you do come to close to this side, I think it's worth you popping over to Horsham to see what it has to offer. In terms of restaurants and places to eat, you shouldn't have an issue at all. There are just so many places to eat here. As it relates to tourist attraction, I'm not sure, but I'll do some investigation and see what is available. All right, so that's Nando's there. I'll have a closer look at what Nando as a restaurant, what do they offer. I was going to show the menu, but there's no point. Let's do that, by the way. All right, give me a second. Yeah, so that's the menu for Nando's. For those of you who are familiar with Nando's and you know the menu, that this wouldn't be no surprise or it would not be new to you. For those of you who haven't been to Nando's, or they're in the UK or wherever in the world, the prices listed are all in pounds, and you know, you can make the comparison, do the conversion and see whether or not it's expensive, but it's somewhere definitely you can come to eat. Now you can see the contrast from where I came from, where I was saying to you the shops are closed and it's empty. Here's a little busier. You can see here is the Anchor Tap Ale House, and there are people inside eating. So there's actually activities happening here. Here you have the Monteforte, maybe Italian food. Yes, there are people eating. So again, even at this time, there are restaurants open for you to actually eat. The famous Wagamama, a bit of Asian fusion meal, by the way. Yeah, I've had meal here 2 or 3 times already, and well, generally okay. So that's the sort of food you have here. So if you're in Horsham, and by the way, almost any British high street, town centre, you'll find similar restaurants like these. Many of these are chains. Yeah. So here's a little busy, I guess, because the restaurants are here when compared to down the end there, which I'll be going back down to because I'm heading off to Tesco. I'm going to do a bit of a walk there. This restaurant here, Smith and Western, and I'm kind of an American Western themed restaurant. I have been here probably 2 times, not this location, and the food grande, very large portions. And would I recommend it? Yes, I would, but I'm not sure about variety really. But let's have a look at what they have here. on their menu. And again, remember that the prices are British pounds, okay? Again, it's for you to determine, is this expensive or not? So this is Smith and Western here in Horsham. There's a branch in a place called Crawley, not far from here, maybe about 15-20 minutes from here. And I'm sure they're dotted across the country. All right, so I'm just going to go to the end of the road and show you a few more restaurants if possible. Again, this is really to say, if you come to Horsham, you will be spoiled for choices in terms of places to eat. All right? I'm just thinking, such a beautiful evening. I would have thought that more people would be out having meals and will be busy and bustling. But I wonder if this is if the reason behind this is that people are probably out having their barbecue at the beaches. I'm not sure, or it just happened that on a Monday it's just not a good day for coming out to eat. It's not like a Friday night or so on. So I'm at the end of the street. I'm going to head back down to the end of this road. I don't know if this is the high street, but anyway, let's pretend it's the high street. I'm going to go all the way down and then I'm going to go walk into Tesco. I'll create another video for this walk through the footpaths and on the road to Tesco. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes of that. I have a video of this already, but I'll just take another one now and I'll try to upload this as soon as possible. I'm going back down. We're passing more or less the same places, but if I snap anything if I see anything rather that is worthy of showcasing, I will definitely capture and share with you, my amazing viewers, subscribers. All right, thank you very much. By the way, what I want to show you is this is just a beautiful sunshine. I'm looking right directly into the sun, and I don't know how it's captured in the video, but it's really beautiful. The sunshine coming through, shining just above that line of building, hitting straight to me, and I hardly can see very well, but it's really beautiful, and the warmth from the sun, and at the same time you're having the cool air just behind me, coming behind me into the direction in front of me. And so you have the mixture of the sun in front of me, the wind behind me. It's kind of an amazing feeling. All right. Yeah, so I'll walk down, and again, anything else I'll capture and share with you. Yeah, I just wanted you to have this view from the position that I'm walking, and you can see all the way down. Of course, this is not all of Horsham. There are many other roads and streets with restaurants, but this is kind of the main, I'm going to call it a high street here. We've just passed here when I was coming up. Nando's, I was looking. Yeah, Nando's right here, of course.